Hello, I'm Madam Eileen and I'm wishing you a happy birthday. Someone told me that it's your birthday, and so today I'm going to make you a special balloon dog. I heard you like dachshunds, so I'm going to make a dachshund. Let's start with a long little balloon. This balloon's known as a 160, and I need nose. So to get the nose, I'm going to use a black. That's not black, but we're going to use that anyways too. This one's going to be ears. So since I already inflated it, I might as well make it into an ear. Do a little pinch twist there. Do a pinch twist here. Now I'm going to match the loop height to make sure that the dog has ears about the same height. Looks right. Can't say the birthday girl's name, but you know who you are. Ears. Now where did that black balloon go? There it is. Black. Black and chocolate look very similar. Okay. To do the eyes, I isolate a bubble and I tie it twice. You want to tie it twice. That way you know for sure it's not going to come undone. Okay, and now I'm going to pull and twist and get some air out of the balloon, creating a little pulley, stretchy spot. Now I isolate the bubble for the second eye. Twist it around like that. Pinch it between my fingers. And take the length of the balloon here and break that. I'm going to chase the air to the very tippy end. And this is going to be my nose. How do I hold on to these balloons? I exercise my fingers. There's finger exercises that I do. So that's going to be the tip of the nose. And now I need to tie off that second eye before the air leaks out of that. I don't want to lose my eyeball. Or we'll have a pirate dog, a one-eyed pirate dog. Alright. I'm going to use scissors and trim up the extra edges. As long as you tie it 2 or 3 times, it won't come undone. Those are going to be the eyes. I'm going to take the nose. I'm going to tie it to the tip of my balloon here. There. Now I measure how long I want the head to be. I imagine a dachshund's head being very triangular. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to make a triangle. Going to go down, going to go back to the center where we started, and then do one more pinch twist, or maybe 3. Sometimes 3 pinch twists is a good way to stabilize a design. Yeah, I'm going to do a 3 pinch twists at the back. There's not a lot of air left in that last end one, so it's ending up like a large pinch twist, which works. It works. Okay, now we're going to put the ears in through this space. we're going to put the eyes through the top. But you know what would be really funny? Is if you had a bone. So we're going to do a bone. I have an inflator on the side. I don't mouth inflate. I always use a hand inflator or electronic inflator. These balloons are made from the sap of the rubber tree. They are organic in nature. These are not plastic. Balloon animal balloons have always been all natural. By buying balloons, we actually help keep trees in the rainforest. The rainforest is where the rubber trees are grown. Almost all of the latex that is used in our balloons comes from South America. A rubber tree is used in many things. Rubber is used to make the end of your pencil. Rubber is used in car tires. Rubber is used on the bottom of your shoes. Balloons can be eco-friendly, but you need to make sure that you use them properly. So there you go. That's the head of our dog. Now we're going to do the body of our dog. We're going to set the head aside. I'm going to show you a really neat thing. Do you know if you can take a balloon, there's the open nozzle, and you pinch the tip and you pull, you know what you get? You get a fancy colored rubber band is what you get. I need to use 2 of these. So I'm going to get them ready now. Pulling the air out. I pinch it, and then I pull, and the air comes out this end, and it creates a vacuum inside the balloon, and that pulls the balloon flat. That creates a fancy rubber band here. Set it aside on my table over here. And now we're going to do feet. A little bit of noise. All right. We're going to start with 3 toes. I'm going to 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to do a heel. We're going to go up a little bit, and we're going to do 2 more pinch twists. This is where the dog's legs are going to connect to the body. Measure down, make sure that the legs are pretty close to the same size. And we're going to do 3 toes here. There's just a little bit of balloon left over. Tear that end off. Tie this in. All right. And then I just arrange so the toes are all pointing forward. Now we're going to get the other set of feet. Start with the toes. Now we're going to do the heel of the foot. Now 2 pinch twists where the foot connects to the body. Down again. I'm checking to see how much air is left. You really want to have a finger's worth of air for every twist you're going to do. I'm going to do 3 more twists, so it's going to get a little tight here. So, there's the end of the foot. 1, There's no more tail, but it's still just a little bit squishy, so we can get one more toe in. My fingers will actually tell me if it's going to pop before my eyes actually do, so I'll either look away or close my eyes when I'm twisting that. There's no shame in closing your eyes. Balloon twisters are afraid of balloons going boom just like you. The only difference is we learn to control when it goes boom. But then sometimes it has a mind of its own and they'll do it anyways. I align these pinch twists up side by side so they look more like toes. Okay, now we're ready for the main body of our puppy. This is a big balloon called a 350. I'm going to take my 350. I'm going to take these rubber bands that we made, and I'm going to tie them together. Just checking how much give is on them. Want them to be tight, but not so tight that it cuts into the balloon and distorts the shape. So wrap it around, give it a little tie. Okay. Now, fun thing, we're going to attach this first to the dog's head. I'm going to take those 3 pinch twists, I'm going to take the knot of this balloon and wrap it around that center. And now I'm going to move those pinch twists to the side so the head sticks up like that. I'm going to turn the head so the knots of the 2 balloons I tied around are on the bottom. I'm going to lift this up, pull that down. We could call it quits right there, but I was actually planning on a different ending. This is very long, but you know what? It's a Dachshund, right? So I'm going to pull the legs towards the back end and adjust the front legs towards the front. And there you go! Happy birthday! You got a Dachshund! And if anyone else is out there is having a birthday party, let me know. I'll show and make a special balloon creation just for the birthday kid online. Hey, have a wonderful night and happy birthday!